آقا تیپش چجوریه؟ چجور تیپی داره؟ یعنی ظاهرش. What does he look like؟ شخصیتش چجوریه؟ What is he like؟ چی دوست داره؟ What does he like؟ پس what is he like یعنی talk about his character. What is she like? Talk about her character. What does he look like? Talk about his appearance. Appearance ظاهر. Appearance ظاهر بین نباش. Don't judge a book by its cover. حالا یه نکته مهم. دختر زیباست. She's pretty, beautiful, attractive, really nice. پسر زیباست دیگه نمیگیم a boy is pretty. A boy is really beautiful. We don't say that. Oh, it's disgusting, you know. Boy is handsome. Boy is good looking. Good looking خوش تیپ. Handsome خوش سیما. And a girl is gorgeous, means very beautiful. She's gorgeous, attractive, جذاب. ببین موقع صحبت کردن صدات باید رسا باشه. To the point باشه، مختصر و مفید باشه و قشنگ بتونی clear صحبت کنی. You'll try to speak English clearly. یه متد هایی رو در یوتیوب بهت آموزش میدم که بتونی شفاف صحبت کنی، نچرال صحبت کنی. نمیخواد ادا اطوار در بیاری. You speak English clearly and naturally. You pronounce تلفظ میکنی. You pronounce the words clearly to be understandable. قابل فهم باشه. Because you try to make people understand. Make people understand. حالا چجوری من میتونم مردم رو قشنگ بفهمونم؟ How can I make people understand؟ با شفاف کلمات رو به جا استفاده بکنم. خیلی از ماها لغت زیاد بلدیم اما نمیدونیم کجا. We don't know where to use. We know lots of words but we don't know where to use. حتما 20 ویدیوی آخر یوتیوب رو ببین. فوق العاده است. Awesome. Great.